عشان كده خلص الديزل تانك وخلص هتتغدوا والله طيب شو ولا حابين ترجعوا 10 دقائق ونخلص 10 minutes only اه No, it's only seen in the standard here.
I don't think there is a requirement.
It's not requirements, only based here.
No, but we'll see. Which PNID? Actually, I have not seen it. Is it part of PNID? So, which PNID?
Last page.
Firefighting and diesel. So this is firefighting. Where? Before this. Well,
Yes, this is the one. We have this one on the TSE bomb, correct?
yeah, TSC tank.
TSE tank. This is only just lifting.
No, but let's take firefighting.
Firefighting.
Is a part of that.
Yeah.
What about PNF? We did not take that also. That also left.
It is only filling bomb.
No, that's
Just switch.
TDF, tanker filling.
Okay.
That's important. Important.
That's important. أتوقع على الغداء حسب القرآن.
When we keep on power also.
Tanker filling, yeah, control. Then this is important.
لا control from this work in the best from the process.
You left tanker filling also.
TSE also, when we keep on power.
That firefighting and tanker filling, both left.
Your TSE tank,
عندك أنت
you budget, when we keep also control.
See, there are three parts.
control نفس
No, not only three. Firefighting, tanker filling, and there is this sprinkler system, right?
أيوة التانكر فيلينج الميجر
All these three.
major tanker filling connected to the MCC and the VFD and you have
also connected.
yeah, very simple and you have a version transmitter.
No. We need to.
You need to understand. طيب مجال.
No, that is very easy. It's very easy.
Based on the pressure يعني is pressure transmitter. For example, you have to maintain the pressure like 3 bar, 4 bar. Okay, so once you have one tank coming, you will open this valve.
Okay.
You have pressure will drop, it will work based on the TFT.
Ahmed, let us review it. Let us not waste time because people are waiting for the lunch. So let us quickly review it. Although it is not required, but on your request, I am doing it. It will not help you. So we'll put a firefighting system.